Hi, I'm Michael Molseed, Head of Institutional Portfolio Management at Morningstar Investment Management. Welcome to the Morningstar Market Minute, a short weekly series where we explore what's happening in markets and how it impacts portfolios. So this week saw the Australian share market trade back up towards all-time highs. That marks an incredible 17% turnaround from its April lows when the market was gripped by Trump tariff fear. Year to date, the Aussie share market is now up around 5%. It's pleasing to see markets recover, and it's shown that holding your nerve through volatility is generally the best course of action to achieve your long-term investment objectives. Indeed, as we've previously mentioned at Morningstar, we took the opportunity to rebalance our clients' portfolios during that period of peak fear to take advantage of cheap pricing. From here, the outlook is more mixed. Valuations aren't screaming cheap, there are still plenty of risks on the table. This week, the release of the Australian GDP growth data was below expectations, annualising at 1.3%, which is well below the long-term trend of 2.7%. Meanwhile, the weakest performer in the Australian stock market was IDP Education, which fell an astounding 48% on Tuesday after downgrading profit guidance. Stock selection is going to be critical to navigate the uncertain environment going forward. We do this ourselves with our fundamental research, as well as choosing third-party managers with specific skill sets in this area. Generally, our preference remains tilted towards global equities. From a long-term asset allocation perspective, global equities provide greater diversification than Australia, which remains dominated by financials and resources. From a shorter-term dynamic allocation perspective, we think there's better valuation on offer in global equities, particularly when looking beyond the US. Generally, our portfolios have a bias towards European equities, which show a greater margin of safety on valuation. We're confident quality businesses, which are able to trade through short-term uncertainty, will deliver over the long term. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back with more next Friday.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.